Now let's talk about iPhone. iPhone is an incredibly powerful and personal device. It's the product we use the most every day. With amazing capabilities, iPhone has changed our lives and has never been more indispensable than it is now. It's been another big year for iPhone. Ever since its launch, iPhone 11 has been the most popular smartphone in the world. People love their iPhones. iPhone has led the industry in customer satisfaction every year since it was first introduced. There's so much that people love about their iPhones. They love how easy it is to use, how it connects people in personal ways, how it elevates photography, keeps us informed, and keeps us entertained. With a powerful ecosystem of apps in the App Store, iPhone enables people to do more and more things every day. And users can trust that iPhone is designed to do all of this while protecting their security and privacy. Every decade, there's a new generation of technology that provides a step change in what we can do with our iPhones. The next generation is here. Today is the beginning of a new era for iPhone. Today, we're bringing 5G to iPhone. This is a huge moment for all of us, and we're really excited. 5G will bring a new level of performance for downloads and uploads, higher quality video streaming, more responsive gaming, real-time interactivity, and so much more. 5G networks are more advanced with lower latency and less network congestion, so you can get higher network speeds even in densely populated areas. And 5G even helps protect your privacy and security since you won't need to connect to unknown, unsecured public Wi-Fi hotspots as often. Each generation of cellular network technology on iPhone has enabled breakthrough innovations and entirely new opportunities for our developers and our users. And 5G is the most exciting step yet. For so many people, this all becomes real with 5G coming to iPhone. As you know, iPhone provides seamless integration of world-class hardware and world-class software. What you may not know about is the incredible collaboration between Apple and our carrier partners around the world to ensure iPhone users get the best possible experience. We're fortunate today to have one of our closest partners join us. I'd like to welcome Hans Vestberg, Chairman and CEO of Verizon, here to Apple Park. Hans, this really is a big day, and our teams have done some amazing work together.
I want to thank you and the whole Apple team for a fantastic collaboration leading up to this historic moment. Until now, most people have taken a wait-and-see approach to 5G. They've been waiting for 5G to get real. With the network coverage they expect, the incredible performance they have been promised, and the devices they love. Well, today, with iPhone, the wait is over. 5G just got real. Of course, what's the most exciting part for me as a guy who has worked in networking for 25 plus years? The fact that for the first time ever, iPhone can now access Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband. It's built with large quantities of millimeter wave spectrum that enable unprecedented performance. 5G ultra-wideband has already been recognized as being the fastest 5G in the world. And it's getting even faster. Our 5G network now gives you double the peak download speeds, over 4 gigabits per second today in ideal conditions, and even higher over time. And double the upload speeds at over 200 megabits per second. So whatever you're watching high-definition movie, or you're planning business workflows with real-time augmented reality, you can be sure that there's no faster 5G anywhere on Earth. 5G ultra-wideband has also a massive capacity. We're building it to help remove bottlenecks in crowded places where thousands of people use their phones at the same time. Because one day, we'll be safely back in those places. And so we're nearly doubling our 5G-enabled stadiums, venues, airports, train stations, and lighting up some of the busiest locations in the country. This enables amazing things like reinventing the in-stadium fan experience with our NFL partners. the new Verizon 5G Super Stadium experience in the NFL app lets fans see and feel the action from up to 7 camera angles, including views from players' eyes and in immersive augmented reality like never before. We're excited for NFL to be rolling this out to many stadiums through the course of the season. And finally, 5G ultra-wideband provides you with super low latency. So experiences like multiplayer gaming feel like they're happening in near real time, freed from confines of your home. Together with Apple, Verizon has partnered with one of the world's leading gaming companies for some exciting news that you'll hear about later today. To make this incredible experience available to more people, we're doubling down on our fastest network, the 5G ultra-wideband, with double the coverage in existing cities like New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, and expanding into new cities like Philadelphia and San Francisco with 60 cities by year-end. In addition to our 5G ultra-wideband network, we have an extensive 5G network. And today, we're excited to announce that Verizon is turning on our 5G nationwide network, reaching more than 200 million people across more than 1,800 cities and towns. So all the pieces have now come together. The coverage of 5G nationwide, the unprecedented performance of a 5G ultra-wideband in more and more cities, the reliability you expect from Verizon, with the first 5G iPhone on the 5G America's been waiting for. We can finally say 5G just got real.
Hans, this is definitely the start of something big. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for all the great work we're doing together. We are very excited about 5G on iPhone, and we are going to introduce 5G across our entire lineup of new iPhone models today. So now, I'd like to show you the very first iPhone with 5G.